breaker is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my drone today. Ayan na si Caleb! And he gave me a hug for the second time on his own. I forgot it's a PJ day today.
Wait, Mommy, do you have the Skittles in
No,
here?
I don't have Skittles anymore. It's the last one I gave him. It's my drone.
Can I fly it?
No, you just need one drop. So come on.
Can I fly it?
No, you just need one drop.
Was today whenever
Come on.
had the announcement?
Well, I forgot. I put it in the calendar yesterday. Then I forgot to. I remembered it last night, but then again I forgot to tell. Oh, it's PJ today. I'm going to do the drone, so it will follow us when we walk. Okay. So you just walk normal. Okay. Oh, Jalen is there.
But whenever I watch, can I eat some of my spaghetti that I didn't eat? Because I'm hungry.
Did you finish the baon today?
No, I didn't finish it because I didn't have enough time.
What did you eat?
The
Cookies
spaghetti?
first.
No, I didn't want the cookies. I gave it to Matt.
But did you eat the spaghetti?
Yeah, I ate the spaghetti, but still I wasn't able to finish it. So can I finish it?
You're not gonna finish it. You're walking, okay?
But I'm hungry.
You wait.
No, I'm hungry. I want
Stop it, okay?
No, but I want to eat.
That's why when it's time for lunch, you eat whatever is there. You eat.
Yeah, but it's been hours.
Did you eat like fast?
Yeah, I was eating fast, but I still didn't finish.
Come on.
Mommy, can I eat?
He didn't finish his lunch and said, he's still hungry. Sabi niya, kung gusto na pwede na kumain. Sabi ko, okay, let's find a bench. Pero next time, he has to finish the food when it's time for lunch. There's a bench there if you want to eat. Go. Make sure it's clean, huh? We're gonna stop here for a while. Who's this? Who stays here? Here in the shaded area. That building is the gym, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sit down na. Eat na. Get the lunchbox first. Next time, you eat faster, huh?
Okay.
Fix the backpack. It's gonna fall. You didn't close it properly. There are a lot of crows here. Eat faster, okay? Yan yung mga nakapark, yan yung mga nagsusundo. So here, this is the first time I bring my drone, the Hover Air X1. Kasi akala ko nung una sira na siya. Eh gumagana na pala. Ito yung after namin mag-cross galing sa school na Caleb. Ito yung catwalk or crosswalk. They call it here crosswalk. And I told Caleb to walk the normal pace. You can also you can also record audio in the Hover Air, but I wasn't able to figure out right away kasi nakalimutan ko na matagal ko na kasing hindi ginagamit yung Hover Air. Tapos stroke pa ako. Naka-mid fly lang yung level lang siya ng mga shoulder length ko, maybe chest length ko lang yung height ng Hover Air. But since it's a wide angle, kaya ganyan yung pag-capture niya. Okay yung weather, temperature today is around 65, but it's a very sunny day. That's why I'm wearing a hat now. Kung nasa Philippines ako, maybe I would have bring an umbrella. But not today. This is March 2, 2026, Monday. So, I don't know kung tomorrow, Tuesday, kung maglalakad uli kami. Depends on the temperature. Kasi pa summer na. So, magiging mainit na dito soon. And walking from Caleb's school to our house is 30 minutes, 2.6 miles. But if you will just drive it, it's around 10 minutes or less. I keep on telling to my son Caleb na check the hover air. If it's blinking green, that means the battery is getting low and it's gonna fall. Baliktad nga siya kasi while it's recording, tama pala. While it's recording, it's red. And then when it's getting low battery, it blinks green. Actually, medyo maingay yung hover air. Pero since maliit lang siya, I think nobody will notice na may nagfa-follow sa amin. I asked Caleb, do you think the people who will see us will see that there's a hover air following us? I don't think so, Mommy. Yeah, saying hello to the hover air. I told Caleb, come on, let's say hello. But there's no audio, okay? I clicked the audio record, but it's not recording, unfortunately, because mali pala yung napindot ko. Yeah, minsan gusto kong maglakad kasi since na-stroke ako, parang exercise ko na rin to for 30 minutes walking to eh. Plus, later on at 6 o'clock, may baseball practice si Caleb. 6 to 7. And I told him, come on, let's run. Because when we run, it's gonna fly a little bit higher. Pero hindi pala. Alam ko may settings yun eh. Kung gaano mo kataas gusto yung drone. Pero wala akong time i-figure out. Yeah, naisip kong maglakad today kasi okay din to. Parang warm up na ni Caleb for later's baseball practice at 6 o'clock. Actually, during the time, daldal yan si Caleb kung ano-ano. Hinayaan ko lang siya. Sabi ko, no flipping of water bottles while walking. Kasi last time, while we are walking, as we were walking, he just keeps on flipping the water bottle. Kasi yung kinakahiligan niya ngayon. Really, he's a hyper kid. Well, I'm proud of this kid kasi matalino siya. Nakaka 100 siya usually most of the time sa mga exams niya, sa test. And consistent A honor roll siya. Pag A honor roll, dapat ang grade mo 90 above. And here, hindi sila kuripot, ang bibigay sila ng 100 kung actually na 100 ang grade mo. But medyo strict dito sa Fowler Elementary. Kasi nag-test sila minsan, nakalimutan niya lagyan yung name niya. -5 agad.
We gotta cross now. Okay, wait.
Yan,
Okay,
I've
come on,
told
hurry
him,
on,
come on,
man.
we're gonna cross the street na
Come on.
again. You hold my hand.
Come on, Sean.
Oh, and the drone stopped. Kaya kailangan namin
You wait for
bumalik
me.
kasi hindi
Sean,
siya
wait for
sumunod
me.
sa akin. Ako yung naka-imprint sa face. Kaya ako yung susundan niya. But when you want the drone to land, you just put your hand under it, and it will land on your hand. Ayan, pinipick up ko. Sabi ko, baka hindi pa niya na-recognize yung face ko. Inulit ko. Yan, starting again. Actually, 3 battery yung dala ko eh.
Slowly
Isa yung
passing out.
naka-input dun sa drone and tapos 2 extra. Actually,
Come on na.
lahat yung battery na yun nagamit
Is it
Hindi,
moving?
hindi pa kami nakarating sa bahay.
Come here.
So, mabilis malobat yung hover.
Sure, there
Ang
are
maganda
cars.
lang dito, I don't need to drive it in the remote like mga DJI na drone. Although, syempre, may limitation din to.
Is the audio on?
Medyo gusto ko lang to kasi hassle-free. Kaya lang yan, sometimes, ayaw niya mag-follow. Pag sharp curve, sharp turn, hindi siya basta nagpa-follow like sa indoor.
How come it's so low?
Should give a lot of amount.
Because it drifted down.
Yeah, we're going to
But
cross
if you walk,
again.
if you run
Mini-make
far,
sure ko lang, ay hindi pa pala. Mini-make sure ko lang din na every time na magko-cross kami na walang tatawid na car kasi baka mabangga ng car yung any vehicle yung
No,
drone.
it didn't go up. That's a little bit. It didn't go up by even a centimeter.
Oh, because I set the height.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how I walk. Ganyan pa lang yung tsura ko pag nagmamadali. Although yung left ko yung affected area nung na-stroke ako.
We're walking into
So
the
sometimes
territory.
I feel like mahina pa rin siya. Kaya kailangan more exercise. Daily exercise. Kasi pag na-stroke ka, tas yung brain kasi yung affected. So nire-rewire niya yung mga signals. Yan, tatawid na naman kami. Hyper na si Caleb.
Be quiet.
He keeps on, but there's no audio here, I think. Yan mga ano na yan kasi may election yata
Caleb,
or
hurry up
sharing.
here on my
Ganyan
place.
lang ang mga karatula nila. Like sa Philippines, ang dami-daming karatula pag gusto mong mag-elect.
Wait.
Parang campaign. Dito, dyan lang sa mga garden, sa front yard lang nakatusok yung mga announcement. Hindi yung mga nakadikit sa wall kasi papangit yung surrounding. Yan, Caleb's been holding like a leaf of a grass and been saying, "Hey buddy, come here." He's just saying a lot of stuff, paulit-ulit lang ganyan. Maybe naboboard na siya maglakad so ina-amuse niya yung sarili niya. Yan, hawak ko na siya kasi kulit eh. Sabi ko, Caleb, maglakad ka na normal pace kasi nga sumusunod yung drone. Eh, naano ko rin sayang yung battery. Dito, susunduin kami ni Paul. Kaso, instead of waiting for him sa school, lakad na lang kami. Tapos, madadaanan na lang kami. Kung saan niya kami madaanan, doon kami sasakay. Akala namin, ayan, bunot na naman ng bunot ng damo na isang peraso. Sabi ko, wag siya masyadong maingay. Kasi very quiet dito sa area. Anyway, anywhere is very quiet. So, pag nag-ingay ka, sabi ko, baka akala ng mga tao sa labas, may nangyayari. Very quiet yung, na yan, area. Yan, napawisan na ako. Naiinitan na ako. So, nung December pa ako, last week ng December pa ako na-discharge yung home health PT, OT, tsaka nurse ko. So, yung mag-outpatient na ako, ibig sabihin, outpatient therapy, ibig sabihin, ako na yung pupunta sa facility. But, kailangan kasi ng referral ng PCP, Primary Care Physician, ganun kasi dito. Since lumipat na kami sa Wichita Falls, dito kasi pa-schedule pa, hindi ka basta walk-in, depende sa ano. February 27 lang yung ko. So, tapos nag-apply na ako dun sa North Texas Rehab. Dun ako mag-outpatient. Kaso, sabi ng asawa ko, mga 1 to 2 weeks pa yon kasi ipaprocess pa ng insurance. And then, tatawagan na lang nila ako kung may schedule na ako for rehab. Ang need ko sa hand and arm. So, I'll be needing an occupational therapist. OT. Yan. I had a ischemic stroke. It's daw yun eh. Suddenly, walang blood supply na nagpunta sa brain ko. Kasi prior to that, ilang beses ako nasalinan ng dugo. Due to fibroid. And ayan, see, Caleb keeps on picking up grass. And he said, "Mommy, I'll run." Okay, you run. But stop on the stop sign kasi at the very end of that road, there's our intersection. So, kailangan namin mag-stop. Yun, malapit na yung sa tree.
Now we can talk na. I got the sound na.
This one, I think, palit ako ng battery kasi low-bat na yung drone. And I'm telling my son to help me close or zip my bag. So, it'll be faster. Kaya nagkaganan yan.
Okay,
Come on, Kayla,
So,
get talk here.
Oh, yan.
Get talk
Palit
here.
kami ng battery niya.
we found a new discovery,
Malapit na
and it
yung...
was a blade of grass.
After niyang pagtawid
And then
namin,
you can see-
ipa-fast forward ko na
It was
yung video.
awesome.
I-edit ko na. Nag-stop na naman si Hover Air. Hindi niya ako na-follow. Sabi ko,
Kayla,
kailan
come
wag kang
here.
makulit. Kulit-kulit. Who would have thought na maglalakad kami from school to
You talk here.
house.
Oh.
We found a new discovery, and it was the blade of grass. It was the blade of grass. And the blade of grass was so cool.
Ayan na yung
That
stop sign, no?
my mommy
So, we have to
decided
wait. Sabi
to
ko kay
put
Caleb,
it
kailangan
in a
clear,
$1
as in walang
case
vehicles. Kasi baka pag
where
tumawid
no
kami.
would ever steal
Tapos,
it.
although nakatawid na kami, syempre sumusunod sa amin yung drone. Masagasaan siya ng mga vehicle.
We have to
Malalagot
go.
din
We're
kami
going to
nun sa
cross the street
owner
now.
ng car.
We're not gonna cross it because
So,
if
I
we
said,
cross,
you have to completely
each one of
stop
the cars, okay?
and see
So we'll let all the
if no cars are going anymore.
Then it passes out for 0 life, and then
If we go there, the drone will catch up on that pickup.
When it's clear, I told him we walk fast.
Cross na.
Ayan, sabi ko, halika na, bilisan na natin. But I'm talking English to him because he cannot really understand. Well, sometimes we are also surprised because na-understand niya yung mga Tagalog namin. And then he will respond in English. Ito na yung sa right side, Lola Yen, sa right side, yan na yung area na andyan yung track and field, baseball field, tapos yung building na yan. Di ba sa dyan lahat mga soccer field, lahat ng area na yan. So medyo ipa-fast forward ko na. Yan, I'm starting to fast forward the video para medyo matapos agad. Hehehe. And boring naman kasi wala na makikita, puro open field na siya. Yan, sabi kasi ni Caleb, pagod na daw siya, masakit yung shoulder niya. So sabi ko, okay, I'll carry your backpack. I understand kasi syempre, para baka ma-injure pa yung shoulder niya. Actually, wala namang laman yung bag niya. It's just the lunch box. So, medyo heavy siya. Tsaka isang folder lang. Ayan, fast forward editing na to. We're just waiting for Paul. Anytime soon,
say hi.
Paul will
And say
arrive
hi.
because 4 p.m. ang out niya dito eh. So, matadaanan niya na kami
went
nito.
to the park
I'm sure.
and decided to fart. So I ate my spaghetti, then ate the spaghetti, then ate the spaghetti, then ate the spaghetti, and ate the spaghetti until I was full. Cause there was unlimited spaghetti, I decided to eat all the unlimited spaghetti, which was
Okay, what
very
happened to
tasty
you last
and
Friday?
tasty,
Yeah,
tasty,
here I'm asking what happened to him in school at last Friday. We were discussing kung ano nangyari kasi sabi ng teacher niya, he's making some bad decision. And he was yelling Doritos to one of his classmates. I don't know why he was yelling Doritos. And then he said, Mommy, don't talk here. The camera will capture our conversation. So he doesn't want to talk about it when we're doing it here. That's why he's doing that. And oo nga naman, dapat one-on-one pag nasa bahay na lang. Kaya I've decided na sa bahay ko na lang siya kakausapin. Off cam. Sa school kasi nila Caleb, meron silang Dojo app. Nare-record dun yung every time na nagsasubmit sila ng homework. May plus yun. May 1 point ka for everything na nagawa mo na maganda tsaka yung homework na submit mo. Tapos at the end of the week, like every Friday, convertible yun to school points, school cash. And then pwede nilang ibili ng any yun, food or any toy na available kung naman yung meron sa school nila. So maganda rin. Hindi lang sa academic sila hinuhubog, pati din sa attitude nila. Kaya dapat okay din yung attitude. Minsan may problem solver, halimbawa sa recitation, yun, may +1 yun. Making good decision. Ayan na si Paul. Ayan, nag-stack up na naman, stranded na naman si hover air drone ko. Ayaw niya na mag-follow. So, kukunin ko na lang siya. Ayan ko na lang siya mag-land sa palm of my hand.